Welcome to our exploration of the best places to visit in France. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the most iconic landmarks that define this beautiful country, as well as uncovering hidden gems that often go unnoticed. From the majestic Eiffel Tower in Paris to the stunning lavender fields of Provence, France is a treasure trove of breathtaking sights and rich history. But it's not just about the famous attractions. We'll also delve into charming villages, picturesque coastlines, and vibrant cities that showcase the diverse culture and lifestyle of the French people. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an art lover, there's something for everyone in this enchanting land. As we navigate through these remarkable destinations, we aim to inspire your wanderlust and help you plan your next adventure. So to get ready to discover the beauty and diversity of France, where every corner tells a story and every experience is a feast for the senses. Join us as we uncover the must-see spots and the hidden treasures that make France a top travel destination. Let's dive in and start this exciting journey together. Paris, the City of Lights. Paris, often referred to as the City of Lights, is a cultural and historical hub that captivates millions of visitors each year. This enchanting city is home to some of the world's most iconic attractions, each with its own unique story and significance. One cannot visit Paris without marveling at the Eiffel Tower, a symbol of romance and innovation. Standing tall at 1,083 feet, this architectural masterpiece offers breathtaking views of the city from its observation decks, making it a must-visit for anyone seeking to capture the essence of Paris. Another landmark that draws art lovers from around the globe is the Louvre Museum. As the largest art museum in the world, the Louvre houses thousands of works, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa and the stunning Venus de Milo. Its glass pyramid entrance is a modern twist that beautifully contrasts with the historic architecture surrounding it. But Paris is more than just its landmarks. It's about the vibrant atmosphere that fills the streets. From sipping coffee at a quaint cafe to strolling along the Seine River, every moment in Paris is an experience. So, immerse yourself in the Parisian lifestyle and discover the magic that makes this city truly unforgettable. Provence, a taste of the countryside. Welcome to Provence, a region that embodies the charm of the French countryside with its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant lavender fields. As you wander through this picturesque area, you'll discover small villages that seem to have stepped out of a storybook. Each village, with its cobblestone streets and colorful facades, offers a unique glimpse into local life, often highlighted by bustling markets where you can find fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and handmade crafts. Provence is also known for its seasonal festivals that celebrate everything from lavender harvests to olive oil production. These lively events are a feast for the senses, showcasing the region's culinary delights, such as ratatouille and bouillabaisse, which reflect the rich flavors of the Mediterranean. The tranquil beauty of Provence has long inspired artists and writers, making it a haven for creativity. The rolling hills, sun-drenched vineyards, and endless fields of lavender create a serene backdrop that invites reflection and inspiration. Whether you're exploring the vibrant colors of the markets or savoring a glass of local rosé while watching the sunset, Provence offers a taste of countryside life that is both enchanting and rejuvenating. Come and experience the magic of this idyllic region for yourself. Welcome to the French Riviera, a dazzling stretch of coastline that epitomizes luxury and glamour. This stunning region is home to famous cities like Nice and Cannes, each offering its own unique charm. Nice boasts beautiful pebbled beaches and a vibrant promenade, perfect for sunbathing or enjoying a leisurely stroll. Meanwhile, Cannes is renowned for its prestigious film festival, attracting celebrities and filmmakers from around the world, making it a hotspot for glitz and glamour. As the sun sets, the French Riviera comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. Upscale dining options abound, with Michelin-starred restaurants serving exquisite cuisine that showcases the region's fresh seafood and local produce. Whether you're enjoying a candlelit dinner overlooking the Mediterranean or sipping cocktails at a chic beach club, the culinary experiences here are truly unforgettable. For those seeking adventure, the scenic coastal drives along the Riviera offer breathtaking views of the azure sea and dramatic cliffs. Don't miss the chance to explore hidden coves and secluded beaches where you can escape the crowds and soak in the natural beauty. The French Riviera is a destination that promises both relaxation and excitement, making it. Welcome to the Loire Valley, often referred to as the Garden of France, where enchanting chateaux and lush vineyards create a picturesque landscape that feels like a fairy tale. One of the most stunning examples of architectural beauty in this region is the Château de Chambord. With its intricate Renaissance design and majestic towers, this castle is a true masterpiece that reflects the grandeur of French history. Exploring its vast grounds and opulent interiors is like stepping back in time. The Loire Valley is also renowned for its exceptional wine production, making it a paradise for wine enthusiasts. The region is home to a variety of vineyards that produce some of the finest wines in France, including Sauvignon Blanc and Cabernet Franc. Many wineries offer tasting experiences, allowing you to savor the unique flavors and learn about the winemaking process from passionate local vintners. Beyond the chateau and vineyards, the lush landscapes of the Loire Valley invite exploration. Cycling routes wind through charming villages, rolling hills and scenic riverbanks, providing the perfect opportunity to immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the region. Whether you're wandering through vineyards or cycling along the river, the Loire Valley promises an unforgettable experience filled with history. Welcome to Mont Saint-Michel, a breathtaking island commune that stands as a marvel of architecture and history. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is not only famous for its stunning medieval architecture, but also for its unique tidal phenomenon. Rising dramatically from the sea, Mont Saint-Michel is surrounded by vast tidal flats that transform the landscape, creating a mesmerizing spectacle as the tides ebb and flow. At high tide, the island appears to float on the water, while at low tide it reveals a vast expanse of sand, inviting exploration. The historical significance of Mont Saint-Michel dates back to the 8th century, when it became a strategic fortification and a pilgrimage site. As you wander through its narrow streets, you'll be captivated by the well-preserved buildings, including the iconic abbey perched atop the rocky outcrop. The intricate stonework and soaring spires reflect the artistry of the medieval period, making it a photographer's dream. To truly experience the magic of Mont Saint-Michel, take the time to explore its winding paths and enjoy the stunning views from various vantage points. Whether you're gazing at the abbey against a backdrop of dramatic skies or walking along the tidal flats, Mont Saint-Michel offers an unforgettable journey. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in France, it's clear that this beautiful country offers a remarkable diversity of experiences across its various regions. From the iconic landmarks of Paris like the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre to the serene lavender fields of Provence and the glamorous beaches of the French Riviera, each destination has its own unique charm and allure. The enchanting chateau of the Loire Valley and the breathtaking island commune of Mont Saint-Michel further showcase the rich history and stunning landscapes that France has to offer. We encourage you to explore these incredible destinations for a truly memorable trip. Whether you're seeking art, culture, gastronomy, or simply a picturesque escape, France has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more exciting adventures and tips for exploring the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through France, and we hope to see you in our next video as we continue to uncover the beauty and diversity of travel.